Add a camera and find a nice angle. Then add a sun lamp. Increase the strength if necessary. Add a plane and place it above the environment so it casts a shadow. Give it a material and plug a noise texture into the alpha channel of the principled BSDF. In rendered preview, you'll notice these grey noise clouds on the plane. For EV, set blend mode to alpha blend and shadow mode to alpha hashed. Add a color ramp to increase the contrast of the noise. You can animate the cloud movement by adding mapping and texture coordinate nodes. After setting keyframes, select them, press T and choose linear.